Hi, myself Vivek Kumar. Today I am showing connection and operation about 5 volt 6 ampere cylindrical cell tester. This is 8 channel. Also you can test POS type of cell tester. This is POS type of connection. Also you can connect prismatic cell tester and test 5 volt 6 ampere. This is the POS type cell. You can also check connect here prismatic cell tester, but you can only use 5 volt 6 ampere up to the range because our machine is 5 volt 6 ampere cell tester only. You can connect any other type of cylindrical cell in one time. So this is all about the 5 volt 6 ampere machine. So now I am showing connection and operation also. So you can see this is our cylindrical cell, that is the NMC type of cell. You can see there 3.7 voltage rating, and now I am telling how to connect to the system. So this is for plus, and you can see the minus. So minus is down and plus is upper. So this is a fixing. So you can connect there like this. Similarly for this. Okay. Now we are connecting the battery cell. Okay. So this is for POS connection cells. So now I'm showing how to connect to the machines. So this is for board. You fix there. This is fixed. Now this is fixed. You can similarly for this. You have POS connection. Then this is for minus. This is for plus. Connect there. Similarly for prismatic cell tester. Connect here the positive terminal. Connect here the negative terminal. The other wires that are connected to the prismatic cell minus and plus. Now machine have required 220 AC input. So you can see there. This is a power cable, power supply cable. So we give the power from the circuit board. So this is a power supply, and this is for the communication board for connected to the LAN into the communication, going to the communication board, and one input for LAN cable connected to our software in the system. So you can see there all the software. So now I am operating the machine and on now machine on. You can see this. Also you can see in the software all voltage is showing in the range. So simple. This is our connection and operation of the 5 volt 6 ampere cell tester machine. So now I am giving the operation. So this is the program, discharging at 1 ampere, and for lower cutoff, discharging for charging connection at 1 ampere and higher cutoff. So I am giving the program, starting the machine. So you can see all cells going to be discharged. So you can see there our battery cell is going to be discharged. Similarly for charge, when I jump the program to, then after that we are going to be charge. Similarly for other, you can, as per your requirement, you can set your program as per nominal voltage and higher cutoff, lower cutoff as per your program. So you can see the operation and connection about 5 volt 6 ampere 8 channel cylindrical cell tester, also prismatic cell tester, also POS type of cell. So this is our working and operation. If you are interested in this machine, then you can come visit our office, and also given me demo. So thank you very much.